Good morning, all of you. We are doing chapter number 2, Human Body, the Skeletal System. And we have completed up to here. Functions of the skeletal system. Today we will start from parts of skeletal. Parts of skeleton. As we know that there are different parts of our skeleton have. What are the parts? They have 5 main parts. The skull. They have 5 main parts. The skull, the backbone, the rib cage, the bones in the arms and legs, and the girdles or girdles, whatever you will tell. Now we are going to start the number 1, the skull. So what is skull? How it works? The skull is a framework of bones of the head. It is made up of 22 extremely hard and strong bones. So how many bones are present? It is made up of 22 bones, and they are very hard, extremely hard. When a baby is born, these bones are not joined together, but as it grows, the bones of the skull fuse together, forming a single skull. Only one bone remains separate from the skull. This bone is the mandible or the lower jaw. This bone helps us to talk and eat. As we know that we have 22 bones in our skull, but only this bone is movable. As we talk, when we talk, we will be able to move our jaw only, not other bones. So what is the function of the skull? Now we will learn about the functions. Whatever the functions, what it does. It gives shapes to the face. It provides protection to the brain, eye, tongue, and the inner ears. It provides socket for the eyes. Here we will see that it provides socket here, this one, holes for the eyes, nose. Okay. The teeth present in the upper jaw and the lower jaws helps in cutting and chewing the food. Here, teeth. It helps in eating the foods. Now we will move to the next point, that is bone or spine or the vertebral column. It is made up of 33 small bones. These small and hollow ring-like bones are called vertebrae. It is also known as spine or backbone. The top 7 bones are present in the neck. How many bones are present in the neck? There are 7 here. 7 bones. The last 5 in the neck region, the last 5 are fused together to form tailbone. Okay. Now, so what are the functions? What does it do? Functions of the vertebral column or the backbone or spine. It protects the spinal cord present inside the cavity of the bone. Here, whatever the cavity, it protects that one. It provides the main support to our body. That means if we are standing or sitting, it is the only supportable agent that supports us to sit straight or to stand straight. Now we will move to rib cage. So the rib cage is the arrangement of 12 pair of ribs in our chest. So how many pairs of ribs are there? There are 12 pair of ribs present in our chest region. Ribs are long and curved bones. They are long and curved like this, curved bones. The flat bone in the middle of the chest is called the sternum or the breastbone. This one. Okay. The first 10 pairs of ribs, are attached to the backbone. This one. First 10 pairs of the ribs are attached to the backbone. They are attached here. But the last 2 pairs of the ribs are attached only to the backbone and are free. This too. And are free. Hence they are called floating ribs. Because of this, they are known as floating ribs, as they are not connected with the front bone. That is sternum. Okay, now what is the function of this rib cage? The function of the rib cage is it protects the delicate heart and lungs. It plays an important role in the respiration as it allows the lungs to expand and contract freely during respiration. Now we will move to limbs or bones in arms and legs. Which are also known as limbs. Our arm and legs are called as limbs. The arms are forelimbs. It can be divided into upper arm and forelimbs, upper arms, the forelimbs and hands. Our upper arms has one long bone called humerus, while the forearm has 2 bones called radius and ulna. Radius and ulna. The wrist and hand contains 27 small bones. That is 54 small bones. Now the leg are called hind limbs. It consists of upper leg, knee, lower leg, ankle and foot. Our upper leg, thigh, has one long bone called femur, which is the longest bone in our body. The lower leg has 2 bones, tibia and fibula. Tibia and fibula. Our ankle and feet have 26 small bones. Here. Now we will move to the next one, that is girdles or girdles, whatever you will tell, girdle or girdles. So what is it? The bony structure that joins the limbs in the trunk of the body are called as girdles. The arms are connected with the help of shoulder girdles or the pectoral girdles. The legs are attached with the help of the hip girdle or the pelvic girdle. So till now we will complete this chapter up to this. Next day we will start from the joints, and you will be given some worksheet which you have to complete it at your home. Okay, thank you.